Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Philip Hay. I'm in charge of business development here at Riedel, and I want to welcome you to this year's IBC in Amsterdam in Hall 10. I'm proud to introduce to you SAME. What does SAME stand for? SAME stands for Smart Audio and Mixing Engine. So if you wonder what it is an audio processing and mix engine that runs on COTS hardware. It's purely built in software, and it's ultra low latency. We're talking 8 samples, and it supports the standard features of IP environments, right? It's 2110, it's -7. It features 30 processing apps that satisfy, any need of an audio broadcast application. So you might ask, why do we do audio? Why did we go into that direction? And there are two main reasons. There's a big general trend that broadcast equipment is moving into the software domain. So we are well known for intercom. This means over time also our matrices have to move into the software space, and we lay the basement for that. And on the other side, we are closely listening to our clients, and what we see in the market is a strong trend for the demand of more content with the same production resources, or even with less resources. And this is where SAME comes into the game. We want to automate basic and repetitive tasks of an audio engineer in his daily work. We want to increase the quality of the programs that he's overseeing. And this is not limited to just a location. This works also remote. It is all web browser based, so we allow system access from anywhere. And this is the perfect segue into our backend. Riedel has developed Stage. So what is Stage? Stage is our backend on where we take care of discovery of Riedel devices. This is where we configure Riedel devices, where we manage them, where we operate and monitor them. And one big aspect of Stage is IT security. So what we do here, we feature a very strong user management that can also integrate into your corporate IT. Things like Active Directory, authentication services from third-party identity providers as needed. And linked to these users, we introduce permissions. And based on these permissions, you can access the system. We define what you're allowed to see and what you're allowed to operate. And this is how we end up with super tools. So what are the super tools? These are application purpose-built mixes that have different access levels. So for the creative minds, we have more the simplified UIs. But if the engineering user logs in and picks the same process, the same production, he will immediately end up with his detailed access to the system, let's say for EQs and for dynamic settings. So it's all built around this very strong backend of users and associated permissions. And if you might wonder, who built these systems? We're happy to say we have formed a very strong team of former employees from Studer and the German Jünger Audio. World-known brands that stand behind that product. The version 1 sweet spot application of SAME are environments such as voice-over commentary, voice tracking, automated news, and the broadcast facility audio toolkit, where, let's say, in between all the studios, you want to condition your audio and you quickly want to insert processing to any signal that is hitting your facility. If you're interested, please drop by our booth here in Hall 10. We are happy to give you an in-depth demo. We look forward to seeing you.